average, and please keep a distance from the other passengers during disembark. On behalf of bodyguard Captain Rahman Arianda and the crew, would like to say thank you for flying with us today. We look forward to see you again on bodyguard. Mohon perhatian kepada seluruh tamu transit. Kepada seluruh tamu transit, kami persilakan Anda untuk turun di gedung terminal dan membawa seluruh barang-barang bawaan kabin Anda. Melapor ulang di kantor bodyguard bagian transit. Anda akan melanjutkan penerbangan menggunakan pesawat bodyguard yang lainnya. Terima kasih. Attention please to all transit passengers. Once again to all transit passengers, please proceed to the transit lounge with your personal belongings, and you will continue your journey with another bodyguard aircraft. Thank you.